Formatting text in Animate 2024. The tools of Animate 2024 are similar to word processor tools. The Properties panel allows us to change the font, size, style, and color of a single character or an entire block of text. We can use the Properties panel to set margins, indents, line spacing, and align paragraphs. Perform the following steps to format text in Animate. Step 1. Click on the Text tool from the Tools panel. Step 2. Specify the font size, color, style, etc. under the Properties panel. Step 3. Drag and create a text box on the stage. Step 4. Type the text Animate on the stage. To individually split the text and modify it, break apart option can be used. Step 5. Select the text by using the selection tool. Step 6. Select the Modify Break Apart option from the menu bar. Step 7. Select the individual character and change the color.